Hi. Good morning. We're gonna give Marley, my dog, the golden retriever, a bath. It's so bright. Okay, hi. Today's breakfast is manouche. Would you look at that? The man, the myth, the legend himself. Hi, Marley. Come here, boy. Hi, boy. Hi. The manouche and puppy. This is manouche. Basically, if you don't know what it is, it's dough, and there's it's called za'atar in Arabic, and it's basically thyme. That's what it's called, I think, with like sesame and like a mixture. It's really good. If you're not Lebanese and you've never tried those, you need to try them. I don't know what you have to do, but you have to do something. You need to try it. It's so good. So for some reason, I'm editing the video right now. Hi, I'm from the future, and there are some clips that just disappeared. But basically, because my camera it just died for some reason. But basically, it was just me brushing Marley. I mean, there are a few clips, but yeah. First step to giving Marley a shower is brushing him. So I'm not even kidding. It's been like 30 minutes. I've been brushing him. But I think I'm gonna stop because it's I don't know what time it is, but like that's where the sun is. And so we don't have much time before the sun sets, and we want him to dry in the sun. And so I'm gonna give him a shower now. Also, by the way, taking a bath is not his favorite activity. He doesn't exactly love water. So yeah, just thought you might want to know. Are you ready for this, Molly? You know what's coming. 3. Oh, he's running away. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. No. Come on. Oh God, it's happening. This is not animal abuse. I'm taking care of him. Okay, are you ready for this? This is the fun part. Yes. Yeah, okay, now you like this part. You like this part. Okay, forget this thing. I'm going to my house. Okay. No. Yes, okay, so you do like it. Oh my god. Yes. Is this gonna be the thumbnail? The butt. Yes. We should have put.
As you can see, Marley is having the time of his life.
Come back. It'll all be over before you know it, Marley. I promise. Yes. Oh my God. No. Oh my God. It's done. We're gonna go out now, and I'm gonna try him, and he is so happy. He survived. We can open the door. Look, it's so cute. Ow. He's free. Oh my God, he's gonna get water everywhere. Okay, wait. Here. Oh yes, he smells so good. Okay, he's on the floor. Are you done? Is that like a show you throwing or something? Oh my, okay. Clearly he's going insane. Comment down below if I should be concerned. What the hell are you doing? Oh. You're sitting on my foot. Oh my God. The dog breath is real. This is the result. This is the final look. Marley! Hi, boy! I think he likes the flavor of soap. Guys, actually, I could use your help. Do you guys know if, like, I can donate a dog's hair somewhere? Because, like, I think it's a thing in the US, but I don't know if it's a thing in Lebanon. So, if you guys know a place where I can donate dog hair in Lebanon, comment down below. Thanks. Well, that's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my older videos. And hi. If you guys know, if you have heard anything about Lebanon, basically the situation in Lebanon, it ain't great. The economical situation, the political situation, and now with the explosion that happened on the 4th of August, we could use some help. So, if any of you guys want to help, there's a link down below where you guys can donate as much as like anything helps. And so there's a bunch of links actually, and so yeah, check them out. And if you can, it's fine. Just see ya.